Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Expert Computer Tech. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon to get more tech and tricks video updates. Thank you. Hello friend, welcome to my new video. In this video I will talk about a big update from Google that came on May 30, 2022. So friend, now Gmail has disabled their one of the feature that was less secure app access. It means now you cannot log in those apps with your Gmail account that is not approved and doesn't meet Google security standards. So now I think lots of people are facing issue with login in Gmail account with other apps, maybe on phone app or Outlook or any third party emailing apps. So now what is the solution for that I am going to show you in this video. So let's start. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. So friend, now as you know, Google has disabled lots of third-party mailing apps. Okay, as it's saying, if an app or site does not meet our Google security standard, Google might block anyone who are trying to sign in to your account from it. So before what happened, we have a option in the Google. We can log in with less secure app without any problem. We just need to turn on the less security app option from the Google. Okay, let me show you where that was. I think lots of people know about that, but still I want to show you. So before what happened, if we want to log in with our Gmail account with any less secure app, so there was an option in the security that is, I will show you, that is less secure app. Okay, here was a option like there was a button, so that we can click on that, we can turn it on and turn it off, and after that we was easily able to log in any third-party apps by using our Gmail account. But now what happened, that option is hide now. Now we cannot see any more option there to turn on and turn off less secure app access. So now what is the option? So I'm going to show you how we can use the third-party mailing apps with our Gmail. Okay, so let's start now. For that, what we need to do, we need to log in with your Gmail. Okay, make sure you have the two-step verification on our Gmail account. So if you don't know how to turn on two-step verification, I'm going to show you. Simply you need to log in with your Gmail and click on your name icon on the right top corner, and then click on manage your Google account. Once you click on the manage your Google account, then go to the security. Okay, and then you need to scroll it down. Here you will get the option that says two-step verification. So it's off right now, you need to turn it on. Just simply click here and it will ask us, it will give us some information what it will do. Okay, so we need to click on get start. Okay, and it will ask for our password. Let me put my password here. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to put our phone number here. Like I will put my, okay, I put my phone number here, and if I select a text message, it will send a text message, and if I select here phone call, Google will call us. Okay, so I'm selecting here the text message. Okay, so and as soon as I click on next, so what will happen, Google will send us a text message. Okay, and we need to put that text message here. Okay, that code, we basically what will happen, we'll get a code on the text message. We need to put that code here, and then we need to click on next. Okay, up two-step verification will be completed. Okay, then what you need to do, you need to simply go to your Gmail again, and then you need to click on your name again here, and then you need to go to the manage your account, then click on security again. Then you need to scroll it down. You can see the two-step verification is completed. Okay, and after that what we need to do, we need to now it's giving us the option here, apps password. Okay, we need to click on it. Okay, and it will ask us our password again. Let me put my password here. Okay, now it will say, it's saying select the app and device for which you want to generate the app password. Okay, so here we need to select the app. For what if we are selecting it for mail, calendar, contact, YouTube, or any other, if you that is custom built app, for that you want the password, you can simply click on other. Okay, and here you can type here the name of that app, like I am typing here Xbox. Okay, if I type here the Xbox, I'm just giving you an example for that. Okay, you can type that app name where you are going to use your Gmail. Okay, and then simply click on generate. Okay, so this is the password. Okay, this is the password for the app, the less secure app. Okay, you can just simply copy it. Okay, and you can paste it anywhere. Okay, but make sure the password it's showing you here, it's if there is a space. Okay, like there is a space. Okay, there is a space. Okay, so the password will be like this as it is. Make sure if there was some space, like it has some space here, 1 2 3 space between the password, so you need to put your password with the space. Okay, if you put the password without space, it will not take that. Okay, so now you can take this password and you can use this password for less secure app. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to get new update. Thank you.